In this video, we learn how to create toggle buttons in Android. We create a toggle button with XML and we create toggle buttons with Java codes. And we create events for our toggle buttons. Create a new project and name it toggle buttons. Go to a layout file and change the container to a linear layout and set orientation to vertical. Now add a toggle button control. Set its gravity to center and set an ID to it. Set its text color and set its text size. Now we add a button, and when user clicks on this button, we want to add a toggle button to our linear layout. Now go to main activity. First, get a reference of a toggle button. Now set an event for our toggle button. We use a set on change listener, and when our toggle button changed or unchanged, we want to show a toast to user. Now run the app. This is our toggle button and it has an event. Now we want to, when user clicks on this button, we want to add toggle buttons to our linear layout. First, go to our layout and set an ID to our linear layout. Now get a reference of our linear layout. And get a reference of our button and set a click event for this button. Now create a toggle button and pass a context to it and set some of its properties. We can use a set text color to set the color of this toggle button. We want our toggle button to be its width to be wrap content and its height to be wrap content and its gravity to be center horizontal. So we create an object of type linear layout params and pass wrap content and wrap content, and we set its gravity to gravity dot center horizontal. Now create an event. Now we use set layout params for our and pass layout params for our toggle button. Now we create a change listener event for our toggle button and just show a toast in it. At last, add this toggle button to linear layout. Now run the app. This is our toggle button that we created with XML. And this is our button, and when user clicks on this button, a toggle button will add to linear layout, and each toggle button have a event. Thank you for watching.